Hey everyone. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go over the guidelines for your first rough draft. Okay, so the first thing is you need to remember that you have to incorporate the novel, The Hate You Give. That is probably the biggest thing that I could say. I don't know. Apparently, this has been a missed point amongst many. This is not the only class I teach this novel in, so I don't know. I just words escape me. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to share right now the document with the guidelines. Okay, so for your final paper, your paper has to be between 5 to 7 pages of content. Okay, so that means that if you're going to write 5 pages of content, page 6 would be your works cited. Your works cited page does not count towards your page count for your final paper. Please know that. So you have to have at minimum 5 pages of content. Okay. Now, for your first rough draft, you're only required full 3 pages. The more you write now, the less you have to write later. So it would be beneficial to you to write a full 3 pages, not 2.5, not 2 and 1 line. Okay, a full 3 pages. The next thing is to make sure that this is what your first page looks like. There are no cover pages when it comes to MLA. It does not. Just don't do it. Please don't do it. So you need your heading, which is right here. Okay, student's name, my name, the class, or you could put the assignment and then the date. You need your header, which is your last name and the page number. If you're working with Microsoft Word, you're going to go to insert. You'll click, actually it's the same for Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Insert page number, you find the one with the page number in the top right-hand corner. Then you'll put the, you'll click that, and then you'll put your cursor in front of the number, and you'll type in your last name and hit space 1 time. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. You got your header. Okay. Next thing is your title. So you might not know the title right now of your paper, so just put title. Put something there so that it's there. Okay. It's my best advice I can give you. That all is double spaced. After your title, you hit enter 1 time, then indent, and then start typing your paper. Now, it would be beneficial for you to use your outline that you have already created to craft your paper. Makes sense as to why we did this, right? Okay, so your works cited page is not required right now until your second draft. However, again, it would be beneficial if you still constructed it while you were working so that you don't have to go back and do it later. Okay. Going back to the title, if you don't have a title right now, that's fine. Most of the time, once we're done writing our papers is when we can think of a really great title because we've written everything out. Type as much as you can first, okay? Then go back, reread it, proofread, please proofread. I cannot emphasize this enough. You not proofreading gives you a lower grade on your paper. So it depends on where, if you don't care, go for it. If you do care, whatever. I don't know. Make sure that you're not writing how we speak. Another crucial point is that you are writing in third person, not first, not second, but third. Okay, so first is I, me. Second person is you, we, us, and our. Third person, they, them, their, people, persons, readers, watchers, listeners, viewers, society, citizens. Okay, it's a group of people, more so than just 2 people. Okay. So make sure that you are writing in third person, not first, not second. Okay. If you're having trouble coming up with an introduction, maybe you're having a hard time coming up with that hook, skip it. Get right into everything else. Go back and write your intro because at that point you've already written everything you would have to introduce. So you know now what you need to introduce. Okay. Let's see. I think that's really essentially it when it comes to your first rough draft. You need to make sure, you're double spacing your 12-point font, Times New Roman, third person. You have your heading and your header and your title. And that's really all there is to it for your first rough draft. Again, 3 full pages are required for this assignment. Okay. Other than that, I think that's it. Stop it, Ginger. This is due Friday, the 20th at midnight, right? Yeah. Okay. If you guys have questions, just let me know. Send me an email, smoke signal, whatever. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.